Hi everybody, this is Suzanne Hiron from Mamie Papyrus. Last week we talked about stamp cases, and there's one more use I wanted to tell you about. Let's get started. So in last week's video on helpful tips, I talked about using these stamp cases in your craft room. There's one other use that I didn't mention that is really wonderful, is having a tool case that you can bring along when you go out for classes. So my husband Brad, he's really handy, he made me an insert for this case where I can put my bone folder. It fits perfectly. I've got my take your pick tool, I've got the attachment for it, I've got the brush for it, and I've got my snips. Now, if I'm leaving somewhere and I get to close my case and my bone folder's not there, I know it needs to go in that particular spot. So it's a wonderful addition to my collection. It doesn't need to go anywhere if I'm not going anywhere these days, but it's handy to have everything at hand in one case. Hope you enjoyed this addition to my tip, and I'll see you next time.